What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Syma TF1001 Helifury 360. Wow, it's a big long name. It's a little heli quad that does stunts, has altitude hold, 3.7 500 milliamp hour battery. It's got an internal battery, so there is no changing the batteries or anything like that. So even though it says rechargeable battery here, it's not removable. So yeah, and it did not give you any spare props either, which I'll show you in a sec. All right, this is everything that was in the package. You got your manual, your charger, your USB charger. This bag right here, the only thing in it was the charger and the screwdriver. That was it. Then they give you this big landing pad, which I'm not even opening because I have a heck of a time getting these landing pads back together. You know, you have to how you twist. I don't know the trick. Well, I'm left-handed, so that means I'm a dork. Okay, so that means I can't do stuff like that. Left-handed people usually can't do complicated things like that. Here's the quadcopter itself. I mean, it actually looks cool. I mean, that's why I bought it, right? Because it looked cool. And I knew it was Syma, so I figured, okay, well, this will probably fly decently. There's the little stickers on there. There's the charge port under there and the on and off switch. And if you turn it on, you'll see it has some lights going on there. See that? Just on the bottom I see, nothing on the top. But there's the props. They don't give you any extra ones because it says they're unbreakable. So, yeah, there's the charger. Here's the controller. And the controller is the standard Syma controller, which is good. This is a good controller right here. It works well, you know. There's the, I think this is for the rates and for the flips. You have to hold this one in and go like that. So, and then there's a couple of other things on there. It does these other little stunts. So you got to hold this button in and hit one of these buttons up here, and it'll do these loops and figure eights and stuff like that. But we'll deal with that when we get out and fly it. But like I said, there's really not a whole lot to it. It doesn't have a camera, thank goodness. Okay, but I am going to take it off here in the kitchen, so at least you can hear, you know, how loud it is and, you know, that kind of stuff. Range, beat it. You're not playing with that. That's for skilled pilots only. Okay, there's the level calibration down and to the right. Your typical stuff. Range, beat it. I'm not going to take off with in there. I don't want to be caught in it. No, you're not playing with that. Go ahead. Come on. You're not snuggling on it. It's loud, I can tell you that right now. Those motors are whining like crazy, okay? That's as loud as the Mavic Air. I'm trying to trim out it's walking all over the place. I'm trying to trim all that out of there. I'm getting it, and then I'll have to do it again the next time I fly it somewhere else. I don't know, man. I'm leery of this thing. The way it seems to control, I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm going to be a little skeptical with this one until we get it outside. I'm a little bit skeptical. All right, guys. As soon as it stops raining, I'll get it out there. Maybe in another video. All right, have a nice day.